guys, so we are experiencing a Class A thunderstorm outside in Michigan right now. And it's like really epic because I haven't experienced a thunderstorm in so long. So I thought, why not share a Tumblr? Okay, here we go. It's really epic. Can you hear it? Yeah, boy! Look at that. Downpour. P.S. It's my backyard. Weather like this makes me want to go outside and run around. Ah, the screen's getting all wet. Okay. So yeah, I just thought I would share that with you all. Ugh. Because, duh, thunderstorms are epic. And who doesn't love thunderstorms? So yeah. Okay, bye.